Hi students, welcome to my channel Learn with GBR Vlogs. In the previous class, we have to learn few problems about exercise 8.1. Now in this class, we have to learn remaining problems about exercise 8.1 decimals class 6. Okay. Now let us see the questions. That is sixth one. Express the following as centimeters using decimals. A is 2 millimeters, B 116 millimeters, C is 4 cm and 2 mm, D is 83 mm. So now we should express on this in the centimeters using decimals. Now the first one is 2 mm. So here we know that 10 mm it is equal to 1 cm, 1 mm it is equal to 1 by 10 cm. Here this 1 by 10 cm can also be written as 1 mm equal to 0.1 cm. So then now 2 mm it is equal to 2 mm we can write here, that is equal to 2 by 10 cm. This can be written as 0.2 cm. Okay. Similarly, the second one 116 mm. So 116 mm can be written as it is equal to 116 by 10 cm. It is equal to 116 means 100 plus 10 plus 6 by 10 cm. That is equal to 100 by 10 plus 10 by 10 plus 6 by 10 cm. Here 0 0 cancel, here also 0 0 cancel, then we get 10 plus 1 plus 6 by 10 cm. This can be written as 10 plus 1 11. 11.6 by 10 means 6 tenths, that is 11.6 cm. Okay. Next 4 cm and 2 mm. So this can be written as it is equal to 4 plus 2 by 10 cm. That is equal to here 4 ones and 2 tenths. So 4.2 cm. 4 plus 2 by 10 can be written as 4.2 cm. Now the next one is 83 mm. It can be written as 83 by 10 cm. That is equal to 80 plus 3 by 10 cm. It is equal to 80 by 10 plus 3 by 10 cm. Here 0 0 cancel, 8 plus 3 by 10 cm. Here 8 ones and 3 tenths. So it can be written as 8.3 cm. Okay. Now let us see the next question, that is 7th. Between which two whole numbers on the number line are the given numbers lie, which of these whole numbers is nearer to the number? 0.8, B is 5.1, 2.6, 6.4 and 4.9. Now the first one is 0.8. So here let us find 0.8 lies between in which whole numbers? So it lies 0 and 1. So it lies 0 and 1. So we can write 0.8 lies between 0 and 1. 0.8 is nearer to 1 because here 0 to 1 10 equal parts. So they are eighth part. So make 10 equal parts between 0 and 1. 10 equal parts. So the 0.8 eighth part is very nearer to 1. So 0 point is nearer to 1. Now the next one is B, 5.1. 5.1 lies between 5 and 6. 5.1 is nearer to 5 because here 5 to 6 out of 10 equal parts. So they are first part that is 5.1. So this is nearer to 5. Now the next one 2.6. 2.6 lies between 2 and 3. 2.6 is nearer to 3 because so here out of 10 equal parts 0.6 means sixth part, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 2.6. This represents 2.6. So it is nearer to 3. Now the next one is 6.4. Here 6.4 lies between 6 and 7. So this is nearer to 1, 2, 3, 4. It represents 6.4. Thus this is nearer to 6. Now the next one is 4.9. 4.9 lies between 4 and 5. And 4.9 is nearer to 5 because so here 4 to 5 10 equal parts. So out of 10 equal parts, that is 0.9. It represents 4.9. This is lies between 4 and 5 and nearer to this 5. Okay. Now let us see the next question, that is 8th one. Show the following numbers on the number line 0.2, 1.9, 2.5. First we draw the number line. We draw the number line and indicate the numbers. We start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the first one is 0.2. Now 0.2 is between 0 and 1. So we take 10 equal parts to 0 to 1 now. So now we want 0.2. 0.2 means out of 10 equal parts, that is second part. 1, 2. This represents 0.2. Next one 1.9. So here 1.9 between 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 we make 10 equal parts. So now we want 1.9. This represents here ninth part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this represents 1.9. Now the third one, that is 2.5. So 2.5 lies between 2 and 3. So now we want fifth part. Out of 10 equal parts, fifth part, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this represents 2.5. Okay. This represents 0.2, 1.9. This represents 2.5. Okay. Now let us see the next question, that is 9th one. Write the decimal number represented by the points A, B, C and D on the given number line. Okay. Here given number line, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and indicate the A, B, C, D. So now we write the A represents and B represents, C represents and D represents. Okay. First A1. A is lies between here 0 and 1. So now let us represent here A. So here 0 to 1 makes 10 equal parts. Here A represents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here out of 10 equal parts, 8th part is A. So this represents A. A represents is 0.8. Now the B. B is lies between 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 here 10 equal parts. So in this B 1, 2, 3. In this out of 10 equal parts B is third part, that is here 1.3. B is lies between 1 and 2. B represents 1.3. Okay, B represents is 1.3. Now the next one C. Here C lies between 2 and 3. The C part is 1, 2. So here out of 10 equal parts, second part is C. So this represents 2.2. C represents 2.2. So C represents is 2.2. Now the next one D. So here also D lies between 2 and 3. D represents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2.9 here D. D represents 2.9. So therefore D represents is 2.9 on the number line. Okay. Now let us see the next question and last question, that is 10th. A. The length of the Ramesh notebook is 9 centimeters and 5 millimeters. So what will be its length in cm? And B1. The length of a young gram plant is 65 mm. So express its length is cm. Now the first one is A. So first the length of the Ramesh notebook is 9 cm and 5 millimeters. So this can be written as 9 cm plus 5 by 10 cm. Okay. Hence 1 mm it is equal to 1 by 10 cm. Already we know this. So this can be written as 9 plus 5 by 10 cm. This can be written as 9 into 10 by 10 plus 5 by 10 cm. Okay. Now next 9 tens are 90 by 10 plus 5 by 10 cm. Here the denominators are equal, so we simply add the numerators, that is 90 plus 5 by keeping the same denominator 10. 90 plus 5, that is equal to 95 by 10 cm. Now this can be written as 9.5 cm. Okay. Here also see 9 ones and 5 tenths, that is equal to 9.5 cm. Therefore the length of the notebook is 9.5 cm. Now the next one. Next B1, that is the length of a young gram plant is 65 mm. Express its length in cm. So length of a young gram plant is 65 mm. It can be written as 65 by 10 cm. Since 1 mm equal to 1 by 10 cm, it can be written as 60 plus 5 by 10 cm. It is equal to 60 by 10 plus 5 by 10 cm. 0, 0 cancel. So we get 6 plus 5 by 10 cm. Here 6 ones and 5 tenths. That is equal to 6.5 cm. Therefore, the length of a young gram plant is 6.5 cm. Okay students, if you like this video, like, share and comment. If you want more videos, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also. Thank you for watching. Thank you students. Thank you.